odd people. All right, so that's 1,000 times, and then now we divide by 750. Someone has said 21. Let's see. And it is indeed correct. So that's 21. All right, let's move on to the dressmaker now. A dressmaker has 30-meter length of ribbon. She uses 15 centimeter. Why this no move from someone? Excuse the person. A dressmaker has a 30-meter length ribbon. She uses 15 centimeter of ribbon to make one bow. How many of these bows can she make? See the conversion again? You have to look out for the unit very carefully, all right, guys? Open.
Sir, 200.
200 I got. Morning.
Yes, sir.
All right. You convert the units. Let us see.
Yes.
So 30 meter, we're going to convert the meter to centimeter in terms of centimeters. Right, so it's 100, so it's divided 3,000 by. You guys sure enough the paper here? Is it 20 or 200 though? Let us see.
200.
200, yeah, it looks spooky. This is gonna give us 2 and then 0, 0. 15 into this.
Okay, little girl.
Right, be careful, guys, be careful. All right, this one now, time. The time in Kingston, Jamaica is 7 hours behind Paris, France. What time is it in Kingston when it is 2 a.m. in Paris? I want to see how you guys handle that one here. So look at what time is it in Kingston when it's 2 a.m. in Paris?
7 p.m.
7 p.m. Oh, you got it.
I just counted from 7 till 2 a.m.
Okay. This is feeling which you got it. It's just amazing. Or is it 9 p.m.? Hold on. I'm gonna correct it out. It's like so 1, 2, 6, 7. It's 7 p.m. indeed. All right, very good. So that's 7 hours. So guys, you can always set up the time so more you know time or you see. We're gonna skip out that one here. Let's move on to. So remember, this is a City and Guilds paper, right? Meaning this is a British exam, but if you pass this exam, you can use this just like CSEC. And how you guys are handling it, it makes me wonder if the exam should be harder. All right, let's look at this one. Eden Smith raises and go ahead.
Sir, can you go back to number 36? I didn't get the answer.
36. Okay. That's far back in Eden, man. Far, far, far away. I think this is having a little lag. A dressmaker as let's go over it. A dressmaker has 30-meter length of ribbon. She uses 15 centimeter of ribbon to make one bow. How many of these bow can she make? So what we did, I'm just gonna explain back everything. We converted the 30 meter to centimeter. Now we know, don't it? We did that in a class. And times the 100, which gives us 3,000, and then we divide 3,000 by 15, which is 200. So the answer would be C. I will be sending this to your parents, all right? So I can send it to your parents. Some parents are still not in the group. All right, let's look at this one. Very technical with angles. All right, so it says 100 people took part in a survey. This pie chart shows the number of minutes people spent in different activities on their phone. Time spent using phone, right? And they give us the key here. So this a phone call. So this look like phone call obvious, right? Texting, this. Games, right here. So should I label it? Let me try label a phone call. And you are learning maths here. Would be this dark chat. And then web. And it's gonna be challenging, guys, but if you can answer this, trust me, you're normal. A person spends 200 minutes a day using their phone. How many minutes do they spend making phone calls?
50 minutes.
If someone says 50 minutes, just like that, bam, 50 minutes. How do you get that? Explain to us.
Since phone call is a quarter of the circle, you're going to divide 200 by 4.
Awesome. All right, everybody understand the reasoning? So, what phone call that again? Oh, yeah, this. So, So the total in all, what them spend with phone, text, call, games, website is represent a quarter of it. So a quarter of 200 is 50. You are awesome. Bam. Oh my God, that was good. That was really good. All right, let's move on. The one here, analytics. This, guys. As I say, if you can do these, you're really, 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 really on top of it. All right, let's just try this one. Since as you guys are doing so good. Let me help you out again. So I said this chart shows the number of visitors to 3 different ports, and we have visitors to 3 ports, right? So you have Falmouth, this is the key, Port Charles, and Montego Bay. To make it easier for you guys, I'm going to label it, all right? So right here, so I'm put a different color so you can go for that color here. Why is it? What's here? And then bam. So label the next one. Use a better color, yeah. All right. Oh yeah, yeah. You can't even spell Jamaica. Could just call it. Put back the Ochi. And then now, sit to B. Like we call it. When you get this, look at your key very carefully, all right? So you can differentiate. Listen to what the question says now. Which statement is not true? I struggle with this question. Let's see if you guys are better than your teacher. He said, which statement is not true? A says, Falmouth had a lower number of visitors in 2016 than in other years. Falmouth.
Sir, my answer is A.
A?
Yes, sir.
So you say that is not true.
Yes, sir.
All right. 2018 was the lowest. All right. So that is incorrect. Very good. Everyone understand? All right. Back to our syllabus now, guys. Let me just pick it up. And it gives us, the table shows the ages of family. And it says, what is the range in years of these ages?
30.
How much? 30? Oh, you got 30.
I mean, 40. Sorry.
You change it to 40?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because I asked you, oh, you got 30? Oh, you got 40?
Because 50 is the highest and 10 is the lowest, so I just subtracted.
All right. So it's the highest value. I was just trying to see if you understood as 50. Take out. You guys were tired of it. That is why we go to classes, guys. So we can't do the paper here. We not do adult paper. We're not proud of ourselves. We're proud of them. All right. This table shows the scores 10 students receive in math tests. What is the average mean score? So you guys have to go work out that. Tell me how you work out mean and average.
You add everything, then divide by how many numbers there are.
All right, so do it, guys. Do it. We have 20 minutes. Oh my God, these kids are awesome, man. Guys, just thank your parents for me, all right? For giving me fabulous students to teach. I hope you guys continue to work. I will be going live on my channel to do a complete revision one of these evenings. Guys, I'm really tired, but I have to do it. So I'm gonna use the things that the ministry sent out, and I'm gonna do a complete revision from number theory to all the topics that they say we are to revise. Make sure you guys look out for that, all right? So Mr. Bennett, now just leave and say no, I revise, you don't know. Yeah, but see, Monday evening over here. Right, what you guys got for the answer? You know, and I will let you know what it is. What's the average? I don't know.
20.
How much?
20. 20.
20 or 30?
20.
20. Everyone got 20?
Yes, sir.
I want to work it out now. Check Mr. Bennett, no, me know, you know. Right, let us see if it's that. How many numbers are there in all? 10, right? It is indeed. So what we can do, we can just pair them to this 36. 36 plus 24, that would be 60. So we have this included already. So this now, 19 and this are 40. Mr. Bennett smart, guys. And then now this gives us 45 and then 22. 207, 2, 4, 6, 10, and 10, 200. So that's 200 divided by 10, and that is indeed 20. Again, you guys are awesome, awesome. All right. This table shows, somebody just a come in. This table shows the number of customers each day. What is the median number of the customers? Let me just rub out back this because I want to get the median now. Median time now. All right, so look at 45. What is the median number of customers?
68.
You guys sure? I don't even see 68 on it.
Sir, 86, I think. Wait,
86.
no, sir, wait.
What we do when finding median again? What's the rule when finding median?
To put everything in order.
Ascending or descending order. So did you guys do that?
Yes, sir, I got 86.
All right, guys, somebody just tag me something. All right, so let's put it in order, arranging the numbers. If we can just cross it off. 2, 86. Then we have 90. 89, oh yeah, and then 98. Yeah, right over here, sir. With this. We have 1, 2, 3 left. So 1 goes so, 1 goes so. So 86 is the answer. You turn it around and say 68. All right, that was correct. All right, there are 12 socks
Sir,
in a
total.
bag. 8 are black. Oh my God, you guys are on the ball. Oh my God. All right, so what's the total? Total is going to be the denominator, right? And then now we say, what is the probability that the socks will be black? So we just look for how many blocks, and that's 8, right? So that's 8 over 12, and we'll break it down. So that's 8, we can divide it by 4, right? 4 into this, that's 2 over 3. Very good. You guys are awesome. This one is not a part of the syllabus, but they give the formula. No, I'm not stressing out with that. That's not a part of the syllabus. I'm just staying within the syllabus, all right? You guys are so advanced that sometimes I totally forget that you guys are doing PEP. All right, so it says solve the equation. I know Ilana love them something here. Olivia too. 9 plus 3 double is equal to 30. What is the value of double? Solve that, guys.
4.
Someone says 4.
Yes, sir.
So double of 4. No, it's not 49 we're doing, you know, guys. A 48. What's 48? You guys left out 48, man.
7.
7. Everyone agree that it's 7? All right.
Yes.
So 3, 7 is 21. 21 plus 9. So what we do inverse, right? And some of your parents, you know, yeah, where? Look what you guys know. 49 now. Solve the equation. 6x minus 12 is equal to 24. What's the value of x?
Six.
All right, someone says 6. Let us work it out. So we could change the ink. You know, like agreeing something. More something we can see properly. All right, so that's 6x. So we add 36 and we add it. So 6x divided by 6. Very good. We're gonna skip this one. I'm just kind of sticking to your syllabus, all right? All right, let us examine this one now. And you guys gonna tell me this one before this the meet end and all of that. So let me just go back so you guys can see it properly. All right, so 51, they gave us this. Let me see if we can just put 51 alone on the screen. Don't want nothing else, just 51, all right? All right, that is better. So let's go now. So they gave us the measurement, everything for the line graph, and they say no. They give us that, they give us that, they give us the line graph, and they say, what is missing from this line graph? I want you guys to look at it and tell me, what is missing from the line graph? Is it a label on the horizontal axis? Is it a scale of the vertical axis? Is it a label on the vertical axis? Or is it a title to describe? Let me just, very good. Very good. A title is missing, right? Very good, guys. Very good. All right. So let me just small up this now. Analytics again, you know. Tell people so when times I need to teach and a joke thing, you know. All right. Wait, we need the heading. We need the heading. Where are we going with heading? We need the heading, guys. I'm feeling so confident. All right. So it says car sales, and then now it says sales are expected. I'm gonna zoom in, but I just want to read first. All right. So I give you all of these figures from January, February, March, April, May, and so forth. All right. And it says sales are expected to continue to grow at the same rate. So you guys go now. I'm gonna zoom in. Not even if I zoom in or zoom out, the right word. But I'm gonna big it up so you guys can look now. Based on the trend, what would be the sales in June? How many cars are expected to sold in June? Go ahead. So look at the trend and then you determine, all right?
$450, sir.
Someone says 450. Oh, you got 450.
Because it keeps raising by 50 each time.
All right. Again, you guys are awesome, right? So in January, it was 200. So let's put in the numbers. So we can do that, you know, guys. I'm afraid. 100. No, we need a different color. Color the come like the same one, right? Which one can I use? Can I use the blue? Let's try the blue. So if that on February, March, 300. You see that? April, 350. March, May rather, 400. So if it continue the same way, June would be 450. This color right a little better. Probably the color. Guys, my eyes them are dazzle. So that would be 450. Very good. All right. Which of these statements are true? We're gonna leave out that one there. It's not a part of your too. And the time I go up, so I don't want to waste time on. All right, you are this now. I'm gonna do this for the city and give students, you know, so they don't have to worry. I might just even post this. All right, this diagram was has two parallel lines and is not drawn to scale. It means not to scale. And it says angle A is 135 degrees. What is the value of angle C? Let me pick it up. So look from angle A, it's 135. What would be angle C?
Sir, 135.
35 or 135, I say.
135.
Oh, you got it. All right. So we're running out of time, guys. So we're gonna complete the paper, fortunately, because you guys had really push it. All right. So this is 135. It was 180. All right. So what does so it would be? So this is actually angle C would be 45. All right. And just remember, angles on a straight line add up to what? What would be angle B?
45.
45. Angles on a straight line. What about angle D?
135.
135. And look at angle. You notice that angle D and A are equal, Z angles, right? So look, these are equal, and also this and this is equal. They are called alternate angles. When I go to your school, the fancy know this. And them say, how you know that? So Mr. Bennett, man, so Bennett teach me that. All right, so Z angles are angles on a straight line. All right, this would also be 135 because this angle corresponds with angle A. And this would be, that I don't know, you know, corresponds with E. All right, I'm such a fabulous teacher. All right, what is the angle? Oh, yeah, we did that already. Listen to this one now. A four-sided polygon has four angles. Three of these angles measure 70, 110, and 80. What does the other angle measure? Four-sided figure. Three of these angles measure 70, 110, and 80. What is the angle? What is the other angle measure? What we know about a four-sided figure? How much does a four-sided figure measure? In all, when you add all the interior angles. Anyone? Four angles must add up. Very good. Yeah, break up. So what would be the next angle? If all of them add up to 360, what would be the other angle? You get 70 plus 110 and 80. What would be the other angle? You just put in some numbers and say that. So what would be this one? If all light must add up to 360 degrees,
100.
what would be the value of this 100? You guys are a bit slow on that, but nevertheless, all right, it's 100. Oh, you guys did not, you guys are not exposed to Pythagoras theorem. It is not a part of the syllabus. Let me see if anything there else for you guys. This is for city angles. All right, this is your one. You guys can look at this one. What is the area of the shape? You can draw it, turn it on, so you know. I mean, this be the 6. I Captain, I can't hear you. You have to wait, look here. It's a trapezium. It's part of 5, right? So 5 is irrelevant, and this is 4. Right? So guys, you only have about 2 minutes or so. So what we do, the 9 by 8, and then say 6 plus 9, that's 15 over 2 times 4. 2 into 2, 1, 2 into that 2. So that's all right. Somebody say, what happened to the 5? No, the 5 is just like slant side. So don't use the 5. We could have also cut up this in triangles and rectangles, right? So this would be a 6 by 4, right? You see? 6 by 4. Because all of these are 9. So this would be 6 right here. So this is 3. And then for 24. But then we'll find the area for the right angle triangle, which is 3 times 4. Which is 3 times 4 divided by 2. So that's 6. Oh God, morning. And then I'll add the 6 and the 24, I will get 30. Same way. So guys, you can hear. This would also be 4. It's a right angle triangle. So it's 3 times 4. Because this number, oh no, 3 times 4, 12. I'll divide 12 by 2. And we get, this would work out to 6. And this plus, all right. Let's see if there's anything. All right. What is the area of the circle? Take pi to be 3.14. Just tell me what you do, guys. Last one for the day.
22 over 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3.4.
They say use 3.1. This is the last one for today. The pi is 3.1. What is the radius? All of this is 10.
5.
What's the radius? 5. Times 5 times 5. All right. So somebody multiply that. 25 times 3.14. I'm going with 78. Yeah, because a 75, 3 times is yeah. So this could be C. All right. C, guys. Thank you guys so much for being awesome again. See you guys. I will be doing a live so you guys can check that out. I think I'm just gonna post this on YouTube, guys. All right, and you guys can watch it back. You guys were awesome. You actually done a paper. I skip out a few, but you do a paper, 2-hour paper in 2 hours. That is really, really fast and awesome. All right. So you guys take care. Thank your parents again for allowing me to teach you guys. Morning.
Sir, you're the best, sir. You're the best.
Thanks. I do try, guys.